as a righteous man, and all the citizens of this community know you to be a righteous man and a prophet. Well, I'm doing an article for the Daily Tribune today. I want you to explain to me, why is it that the youth's going around calling themselves Rasta, shooting,
it's separation time,
and giving Rastas a bad name?
Rasta.
Well, I would say they are giving the Rastas a bad name. I would say they are trying to, because John Heath declared. John Heath says,
stay dreading now.
When the people hear the truth, they have nowhere to take it. The mothers and fathers was murderers from the beginning. So the children couldn't do better. And if the others taught the youth the truth from the beginning,
hiding in
then the youth would do it. But they teach the youth that crime is the best to live for. And they think it is right. But as for the righteous, know within themselves that it is wrong. And the youth will not stop to think or listen.
Stay ready now.
But they're just going on. As the scripture says, the head
it's separation time.
drunk their teaching, and that's the bad wine. So when the good one comes, they are nowhere to take. So that's what's wrong with the youth today. They are mad.
Oh, so Rasta is really for righteousness.